Hi there, welcome to Bascule Disability Training's website. My name is Chris J and I am founder and managing director of the organisation. We are a social enterprise that specialises in creating positive culture around disability in organisations through the use of interactive and bespoke disability awareness training workshops. Why? 67% of the British population feel uncomfortable talking to people with disabilities, and that does create problems in organisations with ignorance, when people just don't understand in the truest sense of the word. So no matter how good your policies are, human interaction is still at the core of it, and my training can really help you get around that. Training is led by me, and I like to think that I'm reasonably honest, fun, and relatively engaging. And being a wheelchair user for 20 years, I can break down barriers in a way that is authentic, and I can help people feel more comfortable with the subject of disability. We also do free workshops for school children as part of our social enterprise element. What we've also recently launched is training online, which can be delivered in a format very similar to what you're viewing now, where I and my wheelchair are in full view and I'm able to fully answer interactive questions from an audience. So to find out more about what we do, please explore our website and read some of our case studies, and contact us on info@bascule.com to discuss your needs and how we can help. We really look forward to hearing from you, and I hope to work with you very soon.